Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Ever since travel restrictions started easing up, the wanderlust bug has bitten everyone, myself included. But between planning flights, booking hotels, and figuring out that perfect Instagrammable outfit, hey, gotta document the adventures, travel expenses can add up quickly. That's where awesome travel tools like YouTrip come in. YouTrip is a multi-currency e-wallet designed specifically for globetrotters, promising to save you money on foreign transactions. But with all the financial mumbo-jumbo out there, a crucial question pops up: how much moolah can you actually hold and spend with YouTrip? Fear not, intrepid explorers, or even just savvy shoppers, today's video dives deep into YouTrip's money limits, so you can maximize your savings and avoid any unexpected roadblocks on your financial journey. Let's unpack the wallet. First things first, YouTrip operates within limits set by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, which keeps things secure for everyone. So, here's what you need to know. Maximum wallet balance: you can store up to a whopping 20,000 Singapore dollars, or equivalent in other currencies, in your YouTrip wallet at any given time. That's a pretty generous limit, perfect for budgeting your entire trip or even holding onto any leftover foreign currency from past adventures. Top-up limit: now, to fill your YouTrip wallet, you can top up a maximum of 100,000 Singapore dollars, or equivalent, within a year. That's 365 days to be precise, from your first top-up. This annual limit gives you plenty of flexibility to add funds throughout the year, depending on your travel needs. Pro tip alert: while the 20,000 Singapore dollar limit applies to the total value in your wallet regardless of currency, there's a clever way to manage fluctuating exchange rates. YouTrip automatically refunds any excess amount that pushes you over the limit. This usually happens due to currency appreciation. Don't worry, the refunded amount gets sent back to the card you most recently used for top-ups. Spending like a boss. Alright, wallet loaded, it's shopping time. YouTrip allows you to spend up to the same limit as your top-up, that's 100,000 Singapore dollars annually. This applies to all your overseas transactions, including swiping your YouTrip card at stores, booking flights online, or even grabbing a bite at a fancy restaurant, because hey, you deserve it. Beyond the borders. Remember, YouTrip isn't just for jet-setters. These limits are equally beneficial for online shoppers who frequently deal in foreign currencies. You can top up your YouTrip wallet with Singapore dollars and then use it to pay for international purchases, potentially getting better exchange rates compared to traditional credit cards. So, YouTrip's money limits, a boon or a bust? Here's the verdict: YouTrip's money limits are definitely generous, catering to both casual travelers and frequent spenders. The high wallet balance allows you to plan ahead and store leftover currency, while the annual top-up and spending limits offer ample flexibility for your financial adventures. But remember, limits exist for a reason. It's always wise to be mindful of your spending and create a budget that works for you. YouTrip is a fantastic tool, but responsible financial planning is key to a truly successful and stress-free travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels or happy shopping.